A firing dispute is costing taxpayers tens of thousands of dollars. The Sarpy County Attorney says county commissioners overstepped their authority. Now he's refiled a lawsuit against them. To put it simply, the board wants Lee Polakov to fire an attorney. First Alert 6's John Chapman tells us why he doesn't want to.
The Sarpy County Attorney says this case could have implications across the state of Nebraska.
Oh, absolutely. There are 93 counties and 93 county attorneys, theoretically. And that's one of my biggest arguments, I guess, is what do those boards take from me conceding that fire them because the county board says they should be fired?
Sarpy County Attorney Lee Polakov says this all started in the courtroom when he disciplined two attorneys for their performance he says was not up to standard. During the investigation into the matter, it was stated the two attorneys had a relationship. One of the attorneys claimed Polakov promoted a hostile working environment, treating women differently than men.
I resent that, and it's just not true.
Polakov said that was followed by a letter from an outside attorney hired by the commissioners, giving him an ultimatum.
If you don't fire him, this was on a Friday, I think I got it, we're going to shut his access to the courthouse off and his access to the computer system, which I said on Friday, you can't do that.
But they did, leaving the attorney out of the courtroom and at home still being paid. The other attorney received a separation agreement for more than $100,000. The county attorney and the Board of Commissioners both have outside attorneys, and the Sarpy County taxpayer money meter is running. The county attorney believes none of this was necessary and filed a lawsuit.
The county board only has the authority of what the legislature gives them. And so the legislature doesn't give them authority to discipline people I hire. The county board is elected to manage the taxes and the expenditures, the budgets, and that's a negotiating process. But there's language in the law that says that the elected official decides again who to fire, who to discipline, and even what the pay is worth.
The chairman of the Sarpy County Board, in a statement that reads in part, says, "Our priorities in this matter are to provide a safe and professional work environment for our over 700 employees, and to deter misconduct and to protect county dollars from litigation. The board is confident we properly exercised our legal authority." Polakov says this legal fight is about more than what will happen in a Sarpy County courtroom.
It just boggles my mind that anybody would think that they could come in and say, okay, you got to fire that person. Well, like, what's the next thing they come in and say you got to do?
In Sarpy County, I'm John Chapman, First Alert 6.
The chairman of the Sarpy Commissioners stated a district court judge dismissed Polakov's lawsuit challenging the board's actions. Polakov recently renewed his claims, and because this matter is back in active litigation, the Sarpy County Board will have no further comment at this time.